Hey, how we doing? Jason Ganarum here. Thanks for stopping by. Well, I just got done taking the dog for its morning walk. Stepped in a mole trail. About busted my butt. I sank all the way up to my ankle. That was a good morning wake up, huh? But, so if it's that soft, that kind of ruins the plans for the day. So I'm going to move on and do a couple other things. It's not like I don't have a list that's 3 miles long. But I think what we're going to do today is move all this stuff, take a shelf out. I got some shop lights out there in the garage from an earlier project. I know everybody else says you got to use these full spectrum LED lights. Well, I ain't even sure if these are LED, but I'm pretty sure they are. Actually, who knows? We'll figure it out when I go grab them here in a minute. But I'm going to clean this off, take that shelf off, and we're going to throw the seeds up there that I planted. I'll show a clip down there. It's not like you guys don't know how to plant seeds or anything. Yeah, I'll just show a quick clip. So here's what we got. We got these lovely things. I made a video on how to do that. I'll probably put a link, something like, I'll probably put a link something up there. I've been eating this stuff here lately, and I've never really, well, I take that back. I've tried growing the spinach last year, and it was hit and miss. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm giving it a shot. That's all that counts. But we got some kale, we got some lettuce, we got some spinach, and we got another kind of lettuce. And I'm going to throw them in here and make a makeshift lighting thing and see if I can get them started off. And you've seen how seeds get planted, so I'm going to speed this up or cut it out or something like that. So let me know down in the comments if you think that actually worked. If I did that wrong, if I'm doing anything right, I don't know. I've never done this. Just let me know. Next time you see this, it'll be in its new home. So, watch if you want to. Alright, I'm back. I think I gathered up everything that I need for this project. If not, I'll go scavenge some more stuff. First things first, we gotta take that shelf off. Oh, things that I gathered up. Shop lights. Do they work? I hope so. Everybody says you gotta use these full spectrum LEDs. These are LEDs, by the way. But I doubt they're full spectrum. They're just shop lights. I bought like 20 of them for less than $100. Here's a bunch of the stuff that goes with those shop lights. What it is, I don't know. Is it the right stuff? We'll find out. It looks the same, so hopefully it is. And found some Reflectix while I was out there. We'll insulate it, make some shiny stuff. Maybe that helps, maybe it don't. I don't know. Everybody uses those heaters. I got a dog heater. Does that work? We're gonna try that too. If it don't work, it don't work. What's it gonna cost me? A little bit of time? Hey Dad, look what I got. Just kidding. We're gonna use this. Well, now that we got that off, we got some room. I think I'm going to put this on the top, but I doubt you want to watch me do that. I'll do that at a later date, unless you're waiting for me to fall like I almost did earlier. But, well, you got some room now. Let's see what we could do. So what do you think? 2 shop lights. Try to figure out how to hang them here without anything besides some wire and some clips. Sound good to you? Because that's pretty much what I'm going to do. So, how do you think we're going to go about doing this? I remember these little clippy things go on here, and somehow we need to make it hang from there. And be adjustable. So, let's take some wire and run a loop with these little clips hanging off of it. Will this work? No clue. But you don't know unless you try, right? Leave the wire long so I can adjust it. They don't weigh nothing, so that'll work. Let's try that on the other side. Oh, and of course, I leave my tools where it's not supposed to be. Well, I guess it's the moment of truth. See if this here contraption works. Hey, look at that. Let's try another one. Now watch it fall. It's working. Come on. Hey, there we go. Now let's see if they even work. I guess I should have tested that first, huh? Let me go find an extension cord. Well, we have a light. Step 1 accomplished. Now, clean up my mess. Oh, what do you think about these guys? I'm going to try to etch some of this. This was done with that electricity etching. I'm going to try it with some acid etching maybe later today because it's so muddy. Well, now that we have light, let's try to put up a reflector insulator type thing. It was so bright on the camera I had to adjust it. I'm sure you've noticed already. Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to get back to this. Maybe I should get scissors. That might be better. Now, how to attach it. You think that's gonna hold? What do you think, guys? Does that look like a grow tent to you? Or one of those fancy things that all them other YouTubers got? But we'll give this a shot. And seems to fit. Why not? Looky there, what we can do. But I don't know if these lights are going to make it grow funny or have a third eye or, you know, all that conspiracy stuff. That's why I'm doing this, just to see. If it works, it works. If it don't, it don't. Ta-da! What you guys think? You think that's going to work? I don't know. We'll give this a shot. And I'll keep you guys updated. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Hey, I almost forgot to water the little guys.